This video will guide you through reviewing a customer contract. Customer Contract Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both businesses and customers want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received or need to create a customer contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a customer contract, key terms to find and understand in your document, and cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for customer contracts. Customer contracts are legally binding documents that outline the terms of a transaction between a business and a customer. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Clear scope of services or products. Ensure the agreement clearly describes the products or services being provided, including detailed descriptions, specifications, delivery schedules, and any relevant limitations. Payment terms. Understand the payment terms, including amounts, due dates, acceptable payment methods, and any penalties for late payments. Compliance with laws. Ensure the contract complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, including consumer protection and data privacy regulations. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a customer contract. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have added a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Customer contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the business and the customer are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of services or products. Review the section that specifies the products or services being provided, including detailed descriptions, specifications, and delivery schedules. 3. Payment terms. Check the payment terms, including amounts, due dates, acceptable payment methods, and any penalties for late payments. 4. Confidentiality. Understand any confidentiality requirements regarding customer information and business practices. 5. Warranties and disclaimers. Review any warranties provided by the business and understand the disclaimers that limit the business's liability. 6. Liability and indemnification. Review the liability and indemnification clauses to understand each party's responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages. 7. Termination conditions. Understand the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any notice periods and penalties for early termination. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the contract, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average cost to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your customer contract is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a customer contract is $410 on a flat fee basis. This is based on recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. And service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also meeting the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a customer contract is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the transaction and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.